Okay guys, we're going to do a quick overview of the backpack medical kit. So this was intended to go inside of a backpack, but you could also hang it on the wall, put a nail on the wall and just hang it by the strap right here. You could put it in the pocket behind a car seat. You could put it underneath a car seat, whatever you want. But looking at it, what we've got is up top a glove compartment. So if I open this up, then I can pull out my gloves without even having to go into the actual bag itself. When we have that on both sides, you could do gloves on one side and boo-boo kit on the other side, whatever you want. Then there's a flat pocket underneath. Now here you can see I got a recon tourniquet in there. On the back I have a rat's tourniquet. Now opening it up, a clamshell's open. And then what I've got here is, I just kind of threw in stuff. I didn't want to go digging through the rest of my things to really set it up, but this would get you by. So, but this is not a video on how to set up a kit. This is just to show you what you can do with it. I've basically got bleeding on this side, and I've got some more gauze and stuff over here, but this is more breathing. So bleeding and breathing. Let's look at the bleeding side first. Now, over here, I've got an XL combat gauze, another combat gauze, a couple things of bleed stop. You can get these at Walmart. Haven't tested them myself, but that could be a good thing just to have on hand. And then behind that, the cool thing, I've got a big ass H-band. So that just sits behind the elastic right here. Now, on the sides, we've got these loops that are for mounting whatever you want. I got a marker on this side. I would suggest put as many decomp needles in here as you can. And then there's loops at the top and bottom as well. Then I got a headlamp in here, marker for marking the time of a tourniquet. And then on this side, this is more the breathing side, but I do have more gauze, another compression bandage, not an H bandage, but a compression bandage, and then some athletic tape, and then a space blanket, and then the rest of the breathing stuff, that's more what I would want this side set up for, is I've got decomp needle here, and those are in those elastic loops like I said. And then I've got NPAs here and here in those side elastic loops. Right here, I've got a baggie full of safety pins. And then behind all this, I've got one chest seal, two chest seals, three chest seals, and 4 chest seals. So basically, I just wanted to make this video real quick to show you how you can set stuff up. I put stuff that is long and flat back behind all the elastic, and then all the stuff that's more square shaped I put inside these 1-inch elastic loops that's on top of the 2-inch elastic. So check it out, link is in the description. These are available at combatarttraining.com. Make sure you are subscribed, make sure you are carrying medical, make sure you get medical training, make sure you keep fighting communism, and remember that training saves lives.